Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to add Discord link to TikTok bio. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Let's just open our Discord mobile app in order to get our link. If you already have your Discord profile link, you can skip this step, but if you don't know how to get the link, then follow my steps. Click on the profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen, then scroll all the way down until you can see this advanced option. Open it and make sure that this developer mode is enabled. If it's disabled, simply enable it because this has to be turned on if we want to get our link. Now go to any Discord server and make sure you have a message which you've sent. I don't have any messages, so I'll simply add my friend. Then you want to click on your profile picture inside of the server. When you do that, you'll see your profile pop up, and the next step is to tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen, then copy user ID. Now we can close our Discord application. Then open any notes app that you have on your device. In the notes, you want to type users/ and then paste the user ID. Now this is our Discord profile link that we need, and just copy the whole thing. When you copy it, we can go over to our TikTok application. Then go to your TikTok profile. When you get to the profile, we'll see this edit profile button, and that's what you want to click. You'll open this profile editor. We'll have two different scenarios. If you have over 1K followers on TikTok, you'll have the website option in here, and that's what you want to open. In the website box, simply paste your Discord profile ID and save your changes. But if you don't have 1,000 followers on TikTok, what you want to do is to click on the bio option and paste your link in there. Save your changes. We've added the Discord link to TikTok. Keep in mind that if you added the website and have over 1,000 followers, the link will be clickable, and all of those who click on your link will be able to open your Discord profile directly. But if you added the link in the bio, they'll have to copy it and enter it in the web browser. The link won't be clickable if you have under 1K followers. Maybe they'll add the feature in the future, but for now it's the only way. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.